and this is the ElastoTec M system. The ElastoTec system is a rehabilitation system for old and broken wastewater pipes inside buildings. It has a working range of up to 20 meters and it can be applied in pipes of the diameter 50 to 210. There is two ways of applying the resin material. One is spraying, one is brushing, either one allowing you to navigate through 90-degree bends multiple times. The resins are tested by several high-valuated institutes in the United States and Europe. The system itself comes with a software that allows you to control the resin flow and the mixing ratio to provide constant and high-quality work. The drying time of the resins is shorter than 6 minutes. This fast curing allows you to also work very fast. It provides you minimal disruption at your work. And after you finish the job, the toilets or showers can be taken into use immediately. The system weighs about 42 kilos, allowing it to be transported into the apartments so you can work from there. You don't need to leave it at the hallway or the street, blocking possible passages. For more information on the system and our materials, feel free to contact us or visit us at www.relininggroup.com.